Hi, it's Elisa. Welcome to my channel. I'm very frustrated with my phone. And I don't know how to add multiple videos together to put it on my YouTube. I can only do upload one video at a time right now because I don't know how to do that. I have to go in my settings on YouTube or someone has to show me, one of the two. So I had a larger onion. I cut off both onion sides. Then I cut slit on the side so I can peel it. That's why the peelings are there, and it's a bigger onion. So I put butter in the pan, put it at max. Now I'm putting it down. And don't mind my dirty dishes. Now we're going to put that all in there. Saute these lovely onions. It's just about sauteed. See? So now we're gonna add some eggs, if I can get in there. One. Two. And three. Not perfect, but I don't want them whole eggs anyways. Like unbroken. I'm gonna just kind of mix it all in the way I like it. I'm gonna let that cook. Oh, and we can't forget the seasoning that I like. I like to use garlic and herb from Clubhouse. Just sprinkle that on, mix it in. And try to get it all back together-ish. Now we're gonna use this Tex-Mex dairy-free Daiya shredded style cheese, and just pour that on. I like to save a little bit for my next eggs. Put that in there and get it all melted. So we're just gonna pour it onto this plate. Turn that burner off so we don't start a fire. That'd be a good thing. Oh, like something fell. And now we're all done. So now, want to come eat with me? Let's come eat with me. And there's my Christmas tree. Has no topper yet. That's okay. I'm gonna make one soon. Yum. This is my vitamin I forgot to take this morning. And my probiotics I forgot to take. And then my last water for the day. I'm doing that 21-day challenge, so taste. That's good. After I'm done eating this, I'm going to take my vitamins, and then I'm done. It's good though. Really good. So good. Now I'm gonna have a coffee before I start fasting. Or am I not? I haven't had a coffee today though. But then, if I have coffee, I might not sleep well tonight. But did you know, coffee actually relax. It doesn't actually wake you up. 2 bananas wake you up more than a cup of coffee. So with that being said, I don't know. I'm debating. I am getting super full though. Ole mole. I am going live on my TikTok later. So good. And for some reason, I haven't seen Larry for like a few hours. But yeah. I just hope he doesn't come here at midnight and expect me to make him something to eat. I'll be in bed by then. I bet you would be. I bet all of you would be, unless you guys are night owls. Some water. All finished. Let's take my vitamins. My vitamin and my probiotics. And put it this way so it doesn't spill, or less likely to. It suggests on here 2 probiotics once a day. And then this is Woman's multi-capsule complete over 55 essential nutrition with real food extract. 90 vegetarian capsules. Elisa, speak. Once I tried to take them all together, that was an awful idea. I almost threw them up. Because I think one of them went sideways. Or they were all too close together. They weren't sliding one at a time. But anyways. So yeah. Thank you for coming with me and making my dinner. And eating with me. Hope you all had a great day, and I hope a great Monday, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe, share, and like. Bye!